Okay, so let's begin with the alphabet. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Let's learn them today. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, here's our lesson, the alphabet. Let's practice the alphabet. Can you say the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The letter A, capital A, lowercase a. A, apple, ant, alligator. Alligator, alligator. Good. The letter B, capital B, lowercase b. Banana. Bear. Balloon, balloon. The letter C, capital C, lowercase c. Car, carrot, cake. The letter D, capital D, lowercase d. Duck, dog, dice. The letter E, capital E, lowercase e. Egg, ear, earth. The letter F, capital F, lowercase f. Fox, fox. Fork, fish, fish. The letter G, capital G, lowercase g. G, 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 g. Goat, ma. Gate, goose. The letter H, capital H, lowercase h. Hat. Howdy, y'all. Hat, hand, hair. The letter I, capital I, lowercase I. Island, no S sound. Island, island. Ice, idea, idea. The letter J, capital J, lowercase j. Ch, jet, jump, jam. The letter K, capital K, lowercase k. Key, kite, king. Dun, dun, dun. The letter L, capital L, lowercase l. Leaf, love, love, land, land. The letter M, capital M, lowercase m, milk, mother, man. The letter N, capital N, lowercase n, nose, nest, nut. The letter O, capital O, lowercase o, olive, olive. Orange, orange. Onion, onion, onion. The letter P, capital P, lowercase p. Pen, plane, pen. The letter Q, capital Q, lowercase q. Question, 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 question. Okay. Quiz, quiz, queen, queen. The letter R, capital R, lowercase r. Keep your tongue in the middle of your mouth, in the middle, and then up, but inside. Rose, rose. Act, rat. Ain, rain. The letter S, capital S, lowercase s. Sock, saw, seat. The letter T, capital T, lowercase t. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Tent, tent. Toad, toad. The letter U, capital U, lowercase u. Up, up. Umpire, umpire. Umbrella, umbrella. The letter V, capital V, lowercase v. The volcano, volcano. This is a volcano. The est, vest. Violin, violin. The letter W, capital W, lowercase w. Water, water. Okay. Wagon, wagon, wagon. Wheel, wheel. The letter X, capital X, lowercase x. X-ray. Fox, box. The letter Y, capital Y, lowercase y. Yolk, yawn. Yawn. Yellow, yellow. The letter Z, capital Z, lowercase z. Zebra, zebra. Zipper, zipper. Now you know the alphabet. Your homework is to learn to sing the alphabet. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Good job.